Hi guys, so I finally decided to do my Marzia unboxing. This is of the August box. I've been away and just visiting friends for a while, so I haven't actually had time to pick it up until today. So let's open it up. This is the back to school box. And let's take it out. Oh, got to the tissue paper. Let's move that out of the way. There we go. Okay. So it's got little pencils on the side, quite cute. And although Marzia does unboxings of these, I just think it's quite cute to do it from a customer's point of view. So yet again, we have the little Marzia stickers. And okay, so first thing I notice is this Marzia pin. Stick it on your backpack, anything really. Quite cute. Show you're a Marzia fan. Let's put them to one side for a second. Let's have a look. Be the most brilliant colour in the box. So you've got 2 friendship bracelets, markers in a pencil case, notebook, buttons and stickers and post-it notes. And they've all got prices of what they would originally be sold at. But my camera does not want to focus. Okay, next. Oh. So here we've got a sneak preview at Marzia's collection for fall. Okay, so here are some of the stickers. As you can see, we've got Edgar, Maya, just other cute little things. The notebook. This I have been looking forward to. This is the notebook. I will attempt to get into it one-handed, which probably isn't going to work because I'm not very skilled at getting into things. Oh, actually in saying that, we are in luck. Oh, or not. Probably the most awkward unboxing video anyone has ever watched. But oh well. Don't do unboxing videos one-handed. Wouldn't recommend it. Okay. So, Marzia ideas, notes and memos. So, it's lined paper, green lines. Very nice. Quite thick actually. So, yeah, a lot of notes put in there. Oh wow! So these are Marzia post-its, and they are actually from the company Post-it, which I'm quite impressed by. Okay, so let's move the strings out of the way for a second. So these are 3 of the markers that you get to decorate your pencil case with. So you can do any type of design, pattern, or anything that you want to really. And then finally the friendship bracelets. So if I can actually get the pugs into view. So you get 2 pieces of string and 2 cute little pug charms. And yeah, that's the end of the box, the video even, and the box, why not? And there's nothing else. Hopefully see you next time. Bye!